Hello, and welcome to my FD-INT 211 Futures Project. Will there ever be reconciliation between India and Pakistan? I'm Andre Sagnameni, and welcome to my project. Absence of force brings stability. We have India, Pakistan, and China. Several points of contention are Kashmir, natural resources, other territorial disputes, and they are attempting political solutions for many of these. The outright fighting that used to exist in the region has lessened due to the increase in political solutions being used. One of the biggest reasons there's fighting in the region is due to religious animosities. Hinduism is the majority religion in India, while Islam is the majority religion in Pakistan. Both are minority religions in the other country. The acceptance of religion in one's own country can lead to understanding for the other country. As time continues to go on, as we continue to change from generation to generation, many of the old hatreds and fears will be alleviated by the new understanding and the new relationships that are created as people continue to get older and the new generation comes up, becoming more familiar and more in touch with those around them. What are they fighting over? They're fighting over the elimination of poverty in their individual countries. They need to increase available resources so that they're not fighting over the natural resources in the region. They're fighting over social inequality, not only in their own country, but in comparison to the other countries in the region, their own personal sovereignty, and their own personal security. As you can see here from the two different photographs obtained, one is for showing the poverty in India, the other is showing the poverty in Pakistan. If these photos were not labeled, you would not know where these people are being poor at, because it strikes all over the region, and that's why they're fighting each other. As these problems become solved with an increase in infrastructure, an increase in the ability to get clean water and access to medication, there will be less fighting going on between the countries and more formal trade and more peace-loving relations going on between them. Thank you for watching my presentation. These are my resources, and I hope you all have a great week.